This is OPPO Reno 8T, and today I would like to demonstrate that you can share the Wi-Fi network password on this. So to start, open the control panel by swiping downwards from the right part of your status bar, then find the tile that is responsible for the Wi-Fi, then touch and hold on it, then go into more. Once at the Wi-Fi settings page, tap at the network that you would like to share the password of, make sure that you are currently connected to it. Also, at the network details or about this network page, tap at the share icon, and as you can see, the following pop-up window will provide you with the actual Wi-Fi password as well as QR code that you can further use in order to help some other device automatically connect to the chosen Wi-Fi network. Alrighty, so that would be it for today. Thanks for watching and bye-bye.